unboxing and review about this locker, and I got this locker from Amazon Basic, not me. Yeah, my CEO got this locker, and this is so rugged and so solid one, which Amazon come with interesting feature and safety. So before reviewing this product, you still not subscribe rasnapacket channel, please subscribe rasnapacket channel and hit the bell icon. Motivate me, come to start it. Only this level. So this is the one you can see. So I got the key. This is the instruction I'm going to do step-by-step procedure from this to do the setup. Yeah. So I got the 9-volt battery. I come here. So this is the system which keypads. Now you can do anti-clockwise. You can open this. Look at this. Once you done everything, now let's in the same position like this. This is 35-liter capacity, and which means nearly 30 kg weight. Yeah, it's 30 kg weight. So now, here is the default password. First, I am going to give the default password, which is 9 hash. So once if you give the default password, then it will be opening. Yeah, if not. So come. So this is the one. We have the one of the floor here. So you can able to adjust this tray according to that. You can adjust it. On and see here. Look at here. This is the area. Come here. Come close. So this is the area you have. This mode. Come here. This is the bolt that you can insert it from this on any table surface. If you want to install, you can insert this. Yep. So for that reason, so you can install it on this table by using this one. Yes. Come here. Look at here. There is a switch. This is the reset switch. So once if you press this reset switch, there will be two sounds, and so once you press this reset switch, there will be a two beep sound. If it happened, then you can give a new password. I want to tell you, before giving a new password, don't close the door. Please experiment by opening the door whether the new password is working or not. ஸோ நீங்கள் இந்த பட்டனில் ஒரு தடவை அழுத்திங்கன்னா 2 பீப் சவுண்ட் வரும். அப்படி வந்துச்சுன்னா நீங்கள் நியூ பாஸ்வேர்டு இதுக்கு போடலாம். நீங்கள் நியூ பாஸ்வேர்டு போடும்போது டோரை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணாதீங்க, அப்புறம் லாக் ஆகிடும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு டோர் ஓப்பனே வச்சு நியூ பாஸ்வேர்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்புறம் டெஸ்ட் பண்ணி பாருங்கள் இந்த பாஸ்வேர்டு வச்சு உங்களுக்கு ஒர்க் ஆகுதா இல்லையான்னு செக் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். இப்போ நான் நியூ பாஸ்வேர்டு போட போகிறேன். இப்போ பாருங்கள், நான் பட்டனை எழுதுகிறேன். orange color light தெரியுது. So I'm going to give new password. See, log ஆயிடுச்சா? இப்போ நான் நியூ பாஸ்வேர்ட் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். அது எப்படி ரீசெட் பண்ணுறது செக் பண்ணி பார்க்குறேன். ஓவர் எல்லோ வந்துருச்சு, ஓப்பன் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஸோ எல்லோவாக இருக்குது. அவ்வளோதான், நான் கொடுத்த நியூ பாஸ்வேர்டு இப்போ செட் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஸோ பக்கா நவ் யூ கேன் க்ளோஸ் இட். பட் உள்ளே என்ன வைக்கலாம்? I think so. Time. Even this. Be safe. Yeah. Oh, it's not open. That's all. That's all. No one can steal my pomegranate. No one can steal. Yeah, it's so safe. Because that one I got from one special person. Okay, I don't want to talk about it. Okay, so now I given the new password, but sometimes I forget my password. A lot of password I have, Google accounts, Paytm, lot of password. Yeah, I will be able to forget my password. இப்போ நான் பாஸ்வேர்டை மறந்துட்டேன்னா என்ன பண்ணுறது? ஸோ நான் ஒரு டைம் கிளிக் பண்ணி பார்ப்பேன். See, wrong. Wrong again. Again wrong. So, see? Close, come close. See? I can't do anything. I can't press anything. It's locked. That's all. Oh God. That's my special fruit. Yeah, special fruit. But it's locked inside. I forgot my password. What I have to do, I don't know. But simple. Takes nearly 20 seconds. If you did 3 wrong password, 20 seconds time. After 20 seconds, you can able to try it again. So I think now, see, 20 seconds gone. Again wrong password. Still I can't able to. Again wrong password. So if second set of trying again 3 times, if you are doing wrong password, it will lock for 5 minutes of time. After 5 minutes only you can try it out. இப்போ நான் செகண்ட் டைம் வந்து 3 தடவை தப்பான பாஸ்வேர்ட் கொடுத்தேன். இப்போ 5 நிமிஷம் வரைக்கும் இது லாக் ஆயிடுச்சு. நான் ஆன் பண்ணவே முடியாது. Nothing. My fruit is inside safe, but I can't use it. Okay. So I have to wait for 5 minutes, guys. After I need to try it out. If not, I have this master. So come close. I will use this. Tan -ta-dang. I got my fruit. Wow, it is really cool. So now I have the key. I open this. If I forget the password completely, I can press this red button, give the new password, and reset this device actually. So there is 2 things important. One is your keypad, and another is your key, which means so safety one. So guys, now 5 minutes gone. Now this one will allow me to try my password. Yeah, success. Wow, got my fruit. I got my fruit. Very nice. It is 14 gauge steel and heavy duty. Also it has nice finishing and 30 kg of weight, 30 to 35. So guys, you can try it out, and it has a fire resistance, so you can withstand fire in maximum temperature. Okay. That's it. Try to get this one in Amazon Basic. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe and motivate me. I will come with different device in different gadgets in different location next time. Until then, signing out. Bye bye.